Well, yes, it's been a tepid Tuesday on the street given the kind of moves that we've seen in the market. Speaking of the Nifty, at one point of the trading day, the Nifty had even slipped below that 24,500 mark. But in the last few minutes of trade, we saw a little bit of an uptick coming in. The Nifty has managed to shut shop above the 24,600 mark. So a good 120, 150 point uptick coming in from the day's low on the Nifty. And to be precise, 24,615. Thereabouts is where we've shut shop. It's still a cut of about 0.6% or 160 points on the Nifty. Sensex, however, has done nominally better, 0.3% cut over there, 210 points lower for the Sensex. Nifty Bank was also under pressure by about 0.6%. The broader end of the market was a mixed story because while you had about a 0.5% cut coming in on the Nifty mid cap, the Nifty small cap index, although off the day's highest point, has managed to still shut shop in the green. That's the kind of move that we've seen, and the 2% uptick is something that we've seen on the India VIX as well. Lots of earnings reactions at play. Before we talk about that, let's take you through what the sectoral tilt has looked like. All sectors, barring the Nifty Metal and the Media Index, have shut shop in the red. The biggest losers were Realty, Oil and Gas, FMCG, IT, Nifty Bank, Finance, Auto and Defence. And Nifty Metal was the sole sectoral gainer in terms of the bigger indexes, and that was up by about 1%. Good move from something like a SAIL, up 5%. Hindustan Zinc, Hindalco, Nalco, Jindal Stainless, all of these stocks have done well. So that's the kind of move that we've seen from the metal index. Now talking about the broader end of the market, the advanced decline ratio was of course in the favour of the declines, with about 180 stocks in the red and about 315 stocks with about 180 stocks in the green, pardon me, and the remaining stocks from the Nifty 500 in the red. So that's the kind of tilt that we saw from the broader end. However, on the flip side, some good moves coming in from Ather Industries on the back of good Q1 earnings, 14% higher. KI Industries on the back of a solid Q1 did well. Graphite, CG Power, Saregama was an earnings candidate as well. So these were some of the top performers. But on the flip side, LIC on the back of that government OFS news worth 31,000 crore rupees was lower by about 8%. Jain Resources on the back of weak earnings was lower. CE Infosystems, UPL, Prestige, Oberoi, lots of news flow in all of these names, and that's the reason why some of these stocks were trading lower and causing pressure on the broader end. But all in all, it's been a weak day of Nifty expiry coming in for the market. Yes, we've seen a recovery from the day's low, but we've still ended with cuts of about 0.6% for the Nifty.